Hello, and welcome to part 3 of my commentary. And as you can see, Zach is practically lying to Krista. If you'll pay attention, he claims not to do anything with it.
No, of course, you've got nothing to worry.
Why?
Because, it's trapped.
Zach is such a big liar. He knows perfectly well that those red marks meant to cut down the trees. He's lying. Krista doesn't know that. Actually, it's not magic, it's science. Well, it's kind of like a Spellbinder reference, but you'll catch on. Okay, basically, you're about to see the reason, and you could be told at an early age not to play with fire. Okay, so basically that's why your parents have to tell you not to play with fire, because, well, you saw what it did to Krista. Imagine what it could do to you. If you catch my meaning. By the way... Oh. Wow. Just so you know, like I said earlier in my previous video, Hexus is voiced by Tim Curry. Oh, and did I mention he also played a villain as pirate named Conk in Pirates of Dark Water, made by Hanna-Barbera? If not, I apologize. He also played a demon in a movie called Legend. Isn't obvious? Very observant. He's very observant. I don't like... You see, this is the reason why you shouldn't pollute ecosystems at all. If you weren't afraid of polluting before this film or this commentary, you certainly will be after. See, that's Tim Curry. I think I know. Wow. Isn't that just amazing? Those humans don't find anything out of the ordinary about what Hexus is doing at this point. I don't think he means that in a good way. Oh, by the way, there's another great song coming up. It's called Toxic Love. See? Oh, by the way, that skeleton, that's kind of like a foreshadowing of Hexus's final form. Ew. So basically, this is what happens when man and nature or in control collide. See? So basically he transformed in one head eating another, and see? This is just a visual cue of what the destructive power of polluting the environment can do. So don't you do it. That's right. Don't follow Hexus's example. Yep. So basically he's the embodiment. Wow. This song is kind of representing an eerie foreshadowing about what Hexus will be doing later on. Eerie foreshadowing. Guys, for those who listen to this commentary, never pollute the environment or stoop. There are a lot of people who would stoop to that level. So don't get any ideas trying it. Anyone who tells you that this is a good idea is a complete liar. Period. Oh, by the way, there's another character in a Little Mermaid TV show that he played as the evil Manta. Tim Curry. Meanwhile, back in Ferngully. No, she's... see? See? Wasn't that, Bonsai from The Lion King talking as one of those Beals boys? So that's what happened to his stereo. Okay.
What are the trees like where you live?
Not like this. I live in a city.
Yeah.
City?
Yeah, we're
Buildings,
buildings that are made of steel and concrete and...
roads, lights. A city. Most humans live in cities. So many trees.
Well, unless you count New York City.
Trees?
But trees give life. They make the clouds, rain, the air.
Lord got air. Yeah, if you don't mind getting all your minerals in one breath.
Don't you miss going to the forest?
Can't say I've actually talked to the forest before.
I do all the time.
What does it say?
Well, listen.
It's raining like magic. It's falling like starlight. It's raining like magic. It's raining life. The forest is breathing. Birds are rejoicing. Trees are all singing. Hey, it's raining life. So what about you, Chris? I mean, what if fairies do anything?
You?
Oh,
Do you have jobs or anything?
well, actually, they're nature spirits. They don't know what those are. Or,
Look, what do you do all day?
How things grow.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
No, it's warm.
No, booty's hot.
What?
Yeah. You know.
so basically two cultures are colliding.
Awesome use of the language, dude.
As in, you are one.
You know,
Babe.
And that's good.
for...
I mean, cool.
Isn't it amazing how for a movie that's supposed to be family friendly, it has some adult themes hidden within it, but in a kid friendly kind of way? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Morning.
Yeah.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Carving your name. See? C-R-Y-S.
No, you mustn't do that.
Yeah, plants have feelings too, you know.
Can't you?
Add a nanny reference in case you didn't catch it.
Yes.
Humans can't feel anything. They're numb from the brain down.
Hey!
Zach. He doesn't understand.
Yeah. But he'll catch on.
Did I say something wrong?
Well, technically he could've. He could've.
So, which way to ferngully?
Wow, that's pretty good. Using a or whatever it is. Wow, so basically he's using... So basically he's... Hey, I know that snake. Isn't that the guy that snake that tried to eat him earlier? Oh wait, maybe it could be, I mean...
This is ferngully.
You might want to pay attention to the water.
Careful, Stump. He's a human.
Yeah. No, you're not. It's just a myth. I mean, no, he's not. It's just a myth.
Another perfect landing. No worries. I'm okay. Thank you for caring. Just a few bruises.
Nobody cares about me.
I do, Batman.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Only fools are positive.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Oh, yeah, that's what they said about Walt Disney, and look how that turned out.
He's a bodacious babe. He's a human.
You're right. Yeah.
Well, I have
Yeah, she's used the wrong word in her spell, that's all.
But just think, humans back in the forest.
Yeah. There goes the neighborhood.
Be nice, Bat.
First thing, all these trees go. Then come your highway. Then come your shopping malls. And your parking lots and your convenience stores. And then come... Price check on
Okay.
prune juice, Bob. Price check on prune juice.
Krista. Where you been? I've been looking all over for you.
Pips, you won't believe what I found. Isn't he amazing?
Should we be charging admission for this? That's all you gotta say? I've been out all night and you want to show me this weird creature here?
This weird creature is a human.
He's kind of small, ain't he?
Well, Thumbelina didn't let that bother her. Or, sorry, wrong movie. Anyway, I was just making a point. Okay, those are kangaroos, right? So you can bet this takes place in Australia. I mean, anyway, from the, just so you know, the species native to this area
Well, it's
could be the key to resurrecting their extinct
hard, like
cousins,
yet,
or
it's hollow.
counterparts, if you like to call them.
And,
That's a music box.
yeah, it has this little vine coming out of it, and it's my stereo. I found it, so I'll explain it, all right?
Yeah, but
Okay.
don't you know it's his? Don't you know it?
Well, it's obviously it's
No, it's an inanimate object. It doesn't talk like Beauty and the Beast, you know. Oh. Well, that's because they have different views on music. You know, and my dad lectures me about that, mostly. Anyway, looks like Pips is kind of jealous. Mortal Sin?